Today I would like to talk about sustainable fuels. Sustainable fuels are an important key to climate neutrality for the world, for us and for our customers. Why? Because we can operate existing combustion engines with sustainable fuels in a nearly climate neutral way. Our customers can continue to use their existing equipment and do not have to completely rebuild their drive and energy systems to meet climate targets. Because the energy density of diesel is extremely good. To run an MTU combustion engine with 2000 kilowatts of power for 8 hours, you need about 2 tons of diesel. But it would require over 80 tons of batteries to do the same work. A ship with that many batteries on board would simply sink. As soon as a long range is required, electrical drives can be ruled out. We are among the first manufacturers to have nearly its entire range of current diesel engines approved for use with sustainable fuels complying with the EN 15940 standard. By the end of 2023, 80% of our portfolio will be compliant. In addition to fuels produced from green hydrogen, this also includes the biofuel HVO, which is already available today. HVO is a second-generation biofuel that can reduce CO2 emission by up to 90% depending on the feedstock. We have just launched our new MTU biogas genset for power and heat generation. This sets new standards in efficiency, power density and life cycle cost. The 12-cylinder version has a peak electricity efficiency of over 44% and an overall efficiency over 90%. This makes the genset the benchmark in their performance class. In addition to our gas engines are already available for hydrogen blending. We are continuously increasing the proportion and our goal is a pure hydrogen engine for stationary power supply. We will be delivering our first pure hydrogen engine as a demonstrator as early as the middle of next year. Not only do we have our first-class engineers at our disposal for the development work, we also have state-of-the-art test stands on which we can test hydrogen at a mixture of all kinds. For the marine sector, methanol is the fuel of the future. Here too, we are developing a methanol combustion engine together with our partners Woodward L'Orange and VTZ Roslau. The project is being fueled with 8 million euros from the German Federal Ministry of Economics and Climate Protection. But the internal combustion engine will not stand alone. Increasingly, it will be integrated into a complex drive and energy system. We are experts in system integration. Our customers are not just buying an engine, they are buying a solution that integrates into a larger system to create the power and propulsion they need. For example, many of our customers are relying on microgrids, small power grids in which the combustion engine is supplemented by sustainable energy sources such as solar panels or wind turbines, and our MTU battery systems. With our control system MTU Energetic, we can optimize the entire microgrid and thus always ensure that the ideal power source is used to supply electricity. Existing plants can also be supplemented by such hybrid systems which combine renewable energies, combustion engines and battery systems. Thus, greenhouse gas emission can be significantly reduced. In mobile drives too, the combustion engine is increasingly being used in a hybrid system, consisting of combustion engine, batteries and electric motors. Here we have a real opportunity to draw upon our system expertise, which has always been in our DNA. Next year, the first fast ferries in Italy will be operated by a MTU hybrid system. This will enable the ferry to travel quietly and emission-free electrically in the ports, and then at sea they will be able to travel on top speed with the diesel-electric motor combination. At Rolls-Royce, we have been developing internal combustion engines for over 110 years and understand the technology thoroughly. With alternative fuels and as part of a hybrid system, our engines will play a crucial role in the energy transition. We want to enable our customers in their energy transition and accompany them on this journey. I will leave you with these 3 key facts for successful growth in power systems. Combustion engines have always been our core competence. We will continue to use them in the future, but powered not only by fossil fuels, but by sustainable fuels, including with existing fleets. We are one of the first manufacturers on the market to approve our modern diesel engines for use with alternative fuels that meet the EN 15940 standard. In this way, we are paving the way to the climate neutrality for our customers. We are added battery storage and microgrid controllers to our portfolio to offer hybrid systems to the market. And finally, given the significant progress we have already made within making our engines compatible with alternative fuels, the evolution of power systems to low-carbon world will be a smooth one. The foundations are all in place, so we can deliver this transition without high level of investments today or in the medium term. And we will be able to capture new opportunities that are emerging from the energy transition.